Hey guys, Jared the Jester here, and welcome back to Kill the Plumber! There's more to the game. It's been fully released on Steam. I have been waiting with bated breath to play this again. I am so excited, and we're gonna go right into the new stuff, the snow levels. So let's go have some fun in some snow! Alright, bam! Let's do this. Our numbers are plummeting. He will pay with his blood. Goddamn plumber. I'm coming. I have a pointy helmet. What are you gonna do? No, no. Okay, run faster. Run faster. Land. That's right. Take it with my cute pointy head. Hehehe. All right. Here we go. I like the plumber's new model, actually. No, you bastard. Okay, and damn it. Do I have any special powers? Can I jump it? Oh, fuck. I like the plumber's new model. What are you gonna do? That's right, you're gonna die, you fucker. Anyway, I like the plumber, Jose, his new model. He looks like a creepy lumberjack, but he's still a plumber. No! No! Jump it, you bastard. No! What do? What? Fuck off! What do? What do? Okay, I see now. I see the thing. I see what must be done. Or not. Oh man, this was, what? How do I, okay, he needs to get the coins, and then he needs to, okay, so, if he jumps, nothing happens. How do I deter him from doing the things? Ah, that's how he doesn't do the things. Okay, so now I need, ow. Okay, so like right here, okay, and now I need him to jump. Go away. Oh man, I'm gonna ping pong him. Volleyball. Jose volleyball. Plumber ball. Get the coin, you bastard. God. Okay, jump. No. Jump faster. I will get this. I swear, I swear. Yes. Okay, now you die. This is where you die. This is where you meet your end. Ha-ha. That's right. I got no stars. No. Again. Let's try it again. Okay, now bounce. And bounce. Nope, too much bounce. Damn it. This one takes, like, time. Fuck, I should have just taken the win. Nope, my cocky ass just got too goddamn happy about Kill the Plumber coming back that I just couldn't take the win and walk away and then play for full completion later. No, I just had to go full completion. Just had to. Hello? The hell is that? Okay, please, get the coin. Get the coin. Get the coin. Get the. No, you touched the block. Get the coin. You got the coin. Now, die. Please die. Die in a hole. Die in a hole. We're not. I don't want to play this game with you anymore. Please die. Okay, cool. We're done. Moving on. Alright, what's next? Okay, boing. Nope. I need you to bounce back. Yes. And now I need you to jump again. Ow. Okay. So jump. And now, how do you get that one? How do I keep you from getting that coin? How do you do? What do? Fuck. Okay. If I do this, you'll bounce and hit that coin slightly if I just stay right here. Boing. There we go. And I died. Okay. That's my life right now. Okay. God damn it. There we go. Ah. Okay, I think I see it. Get right here. Yeah! Alright, now you're gonna die. Now I end thee. In the face! Or not. Come back. Come back, Jose! There we go. Gotcha. Okay. I like that one. That was fun. Alright. Ooh, my helmet is blue now. What? Oh, I can climb on the walls. I am Spider Head Pointy Man thing. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Now jump. What the fuck? How do I... Aha! There we go. Had to go the other way. Okay. That was good. I like this. Oh, man. Ah, the developer's getting so clever. Oh, shit. He's got fire stuff. How do I avoid? Ow, shit. Okay, no. Avoid. Avoid. Ow. Avoid. Fuck. God, why? Go this way. Oh, here we go. Okay. Now. Fear me. Die. God, how do? Oh, it's a timed one. Okay, I see now. So now, I do this, or I do this, and okay, I don't do this. I wait, and I die. Crap. I do this. I still die. Crap. What? Do? There we go. Fuck. Do this. Do this. Okay. I avoided. Fuck. No, go. And this. Nope. And this. And avoid. 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 Bad news bears. No. Ahaha. Aha. Fuck you. Get away. Go the hell away. Oh my god. No. Leave my creepy crawlies alone. Fuck. There we go. Die. Okay. Sweet. And now we continue. Alright, what do? Alright, I can do this. I need you to get... Okay, I need you to jump. Not like that. I need you to not jump like that. I need you to not do... God damn it. Am I going the right way? I'm probably going the wrong way. I'm gonna go this way instead. Okay, what happens if I do this? Ah. Nope. So if I do this... Nope. Okay. There are things that need doing. How do I do them? Kind of? I think that's how that works. Maybe. I think I'm onto something. Nope. God! No! Okay, I don't know. What do? How do this? Crap. Oh my god, why? Please? Let me have it? Let me have... Oh, you missed, you bastard. Oh god. Okay, I just continue. What if I just do this? Or I go this way. Let's see what happens here. Alright, nothing's happening. I'm achieving nothing by doing this right now. Let's go back this way. Come back! Jump! You missed. Hit the coin. Get the coin. Fuck. What do? I don't understand this one. I'd like to phone a friend. Oh, come on. Please? 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 How, mother. I think I see it now. Okay, nope, I got it. I totally got it. I think. Yep, okay, I got it now. I think. I could be wrong still. Nope. Jose, I hate your face. Oh, but now I see. Where once I was blind with hate, now I see. Okay. Okay, nope, I got it now. I got it now. There we go. Now we just need to crawl back up this way. Or wait, hold on. Hold. Hold. And go. And now you die. Yes, one up yours. For like the third time since I've gotten that achievement now. Because now it's officially on Steam. The Steam achievement. Okay. What do you do? I jump. I have the most adorable hat ever right now. My god. Bam. Okay. What do I do now? Get out of here. Yes, cute snowcap headbutt. Because fuck you. It's like a little Russia hat. I like it. Alright. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Can I jump that high? No. What is the goal? I can't make that jump. Yeah, what? I just wait? Oh, I throw things! Okay. Oh. Ah, it's like Kirby. I can float over. I see it now. I see it now. Hit it. Okay, I still can't. There we go. There we go. No, damn. Damn it, my little assisted snow jump is adorable though. I am cute as fuck right now. Go, and go, and go, and die. There we go. Alrighty. Sweet. Onward and forward. Okay, what do now? Snowballs. Snowballs. Can I get hurt by my own... How do I... Okay, this is going to be interesting. Because I cannot throw them in the same direction. They alternate. I will hit him eventually. There we go. It's a matter of time. Just keep thinking until he drops like a stone. What now? And hip. Hip. Fuck. From hell's heart, okay, I have to bounce it off the thing and hit him. Okay. Nothing but net. Nothing but net. Nothing but net. Okay, I can't just... Go up this way. Boing. Nope. Okay, hang on. Snowball trick shot, right here. Boing. This is the one. This is the... Fuck. Boing. It's almost there. It's just falling short. Hit. Okay. Bah. Hip. It's like a block too short. I can't. Come on. Come on. Yes! Hit him! Fuck! Got it. World 7. Eat it! Alright. Ooh, I like the cannons. How do the cannons work again? I forgot. There we go. There we go. Just kind of... Nah, I can do that one again. Come on. Okay, here we go. Doing. Doing. Damn it. Open fire! God damn it. Wait. Now. There we go. Man, there isn't really a 3-star way for that one, is there? I bet there is. I bet there is. I just don't know it. Alright, let's go forward. Oh, cripe. How do? Oh, bang. Bang. Okay. Ooh, this one is weird. Okay. Cannon. Cannon. I'm not sure I understand this one. I mean, it looks like the goal is to get him to climb the cannonballs and then go over the ledge. Ah, wait, hang on. I'm like a second too late. There we go. No! Okay. Damn it. Okay. Right. Left. Damn it. Please. 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 Fuck! It's right there. Come on. Cut me some slack, man. This one, that one, 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 this one. Please, please. Come on. Come on. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna get him. I'm not done. I am not giving this up right now. I am the best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be at Kill the Plumber. Yes! 27 minutes on the same level. Not since I Am Bread has something in a game frustrated me more. It can keep the 3 stars. I'm never going back. Alright, what is this? What happens? What? Oh, okay. I see this one. This one seems pretty simple. Okay. Boing. So, like this. Or something. Hang on. Here. Bam. And now. He's literally a hair away. So annoying. Okay, go bang, 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 bang. Yes! But only 2 stars. Fine. I'll take the, I'll walk my base, as it were. Alright, more cannons. So the goal is to get him to, okay. There we go. And I got the 3rd star. By like that much, but it's enough. Sweet. Alright, what's next? Ooh, what do I do? What does this character do? What is his special thing? He has awesome goggles. Oh, okay. He launches his helmet. And Habushki! Ha ha ha! Suck it. 2. No. I can get 3 on this one. Ha ha! There we go. Gotcha. Okay. What is next? Oh, this is a classic one. Uh-oh. I see what we had to do. We goofed. Need you to kill us. Jose. Okay, here we go. And ba. There we go. Bye. Nailed it. Cool. Next. What is next? Alright, get the coins. Come get the coin. Hey. Crap. How do you only... Oh, I see now. Deploy. Oh, okay, hang on. No! Deploys this hat, the hat. Hala. Nope. Fuck. Wait for it. Deploy the shiny helmet. Bang. Crap. Deploy and then move, really? Oh no. Okay, move faster. Okay. Deploy the shiny. Avoid the plumber. Ready. Steady. Deploy the shiny. Oh fuck. God, no. Prepare to deploy the shiny. Deploy. Crap, I didn't move. And deploy and move. Oh. Bang. Oh no. No. Oh, god damn it. Okay, wait and bang. No. Ha. Okay. Now I just need you to go here and then bang. Yay! There we go. All right. Now I'm not doing that one again. Lots of shiny helmets on this one. Deploy. Oh, I see what we have to do. Okay. So, nah. No. Fuck. What happened to the formation? Okay. Stay in formation. Okay, here we go. Stay in formation. Synchronized plumber dodging. Okay, we need him like right here. Bam! Bye-bye. There we go. Woo! Got it. What's next? Ooh, I love playing this one. And hip. I will smash you down like this. Yes, I like that guy. But I can get 3 stars. And bye-bye. Yay! Alright, cool. Onward! Doop. And bye! I want 3. Shit. Oh, wait, no. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down, No. I can do this. No. Up, over, down, over. Hello? Up, over, down, over. Up, over, down, over. Come back. God damn it. Okay, I'll take the 2 stars. Alright, that one got me. I'm not fast enough for that one. What's next? Ooh. What does that do? Oh. Ah. I see. Okay. Bang. Bang. Die. Let's do that one again. Okay. I can almost get the 3. Nope. I'm like right there. There we go. Bye-bye. There we go. I like the smashy block. I like being the block smash. Guide me, Plumber. Guide me to your doom. As I break your face. Ice climber. Yay! I climb ice things. Ooh, what does this guy do? What is his power? He seems to be a disgusting skeleton-looking type. What do you do? What is your job? Do you have a thing? You don't really do anything, it looks like. You just headbutt things. Let me do that again. Please headbutt. Oh. Okay. Bye. Later, Plumber. Alright. Oh, it's these bastards. Oh, I'm immune to fire. Eat it. Yeah. They cannot be damaged by fire because they are already dead. That's my assumption anyway. I'm coming for you, Jose. Oh. Damn. Damn. Wait, like right here. Damn it. Damn. Come on. Something quicker. Damn. I see how it is. Okay, hang on. This one's about sacrifice. Give him up to smash Plumber. Okay. Yep, there we go. You will not die in vain, my tiny Skullbird brother. Okay, you can get your coins. Get your coins. Get your coins. Get your coins. Oh, I think I see. Okay. So jump up. No. Okay, so that actually has to happen. That part has to actually transpire to get to this point, and I somehow cannot make it to where I can hit him. Because I can't run as fast as him. Okay. Yeah! There we go! Woo! Good one. Alright, what's next? I'm the bomb! I'm the little bomb guy. Bomb, 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 bomb. Do, 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 do. And I bomb! No. I have a fuse. I have a short fuse. My temper is lit. And die. Yes. Alright, cool. Next! What's next? Explosivo! What you gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna explode. Okay. Well, let's try this again. Alright, it's one of these. I remember this one. Okay. Avoid. I see it now. This low one's not easy to get to. Okay. What's it do? Alright, I have to hit it on its lowest bounce. So avoid. I see where it's gonna go. Okay, so avoid the big one. Get to right here. Damn it. Avoid the big one. I see the arc. Just gotta get to it. I'm just way too close to it. Damn. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Damn it. He's just outside the blast radius. I'm gonna get you, little fiery motherfucker. No. Okay. Do. Aha. Okay, I have to backtrack. All right. Dodge. Go this way. And I see it, but that still kind of sucked. Okay. That's frustrating. Okay, nah. Yep, I see where I have to be. Okay, so first. Second. First. Your ass is mine! Yes! What's next? Ooh, what? Oh. Okay, I see now. There we go. Bust the blocks, drop the block. Got it. Alright, next. Alright, twofold. Explosive. Oh, I see now. Oh, okay. Just have to be a demolition team. Boom. Suck it. Oh. And bang. Damn. Damn. Oh. Ha-ha! Fuck off, Plumber. Goodbye, Jose. No way, Jose. I haven't said that joke at all this episode. It's been a while. Oh, I'm a boss. Oh, I'm like a big Yeti. Look at me. What do I do? Oh. What do? How do I do? What? Okay, what? How does this work? Get your coins. Get your coins. Well, how does this one work? Okay, I'm gonna get him. I'm not giving up. I am so close. Okay, see here. I need you to bounce up and hit those coins. Yes. Hang on. Wait a second. If I... Oh my sweet goodness. That's how I do it. Okay. I don't even know if that's right. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that as a win and blow your face up. Bam! Gotcha. Sweet. What's next? Alright, what do I do? Oh, I see. Go forth, my friend. I must summon bombers that will hopefully survive his fireballs. Okay. I'm gonna get you. What the fuck? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get... Wait a minute. How the fuck do I do that when... But how? But I can't move. Hey, but motherfucker. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, got him. Jose. Didn't get the best of me. What's next? Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more. Things explode. Ah, and he moves. Okay. Blow it all up, quickly. Why did I just need to... okay. Go down. Explode. Explode. Huh? You can't get me now, you bastard. What you gonna do? You're gonna fall in that hole and die. Bye. Yeah. Alright, what's next? Okay. So now... I have to blow that up. Oh, that's gonna be crazy. Okay. Okay, that's one. Come on. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. This is where you die. Yeah! King Cold. Da da da. Got it. Getting frosty up in this bitch. I did it. Yay. This is it, princess. It's over. We have frozen your stalker plumber forever. You are now safe here in this ice castle. We won. Yay! Did we actually win this time? Is it over? Is Jose finally locked away for good in a block of ice? Ah, I think it is. Oh, it's so great. That's a fantastic addition to the game. I'm really happy that the game got to come out and the game got to have more additions to it. Like, I mean, obviously it's supposed to be a take on classic Mario games, so there were obviously classic Mario levels that had to come out, obviously being ice levels, water levels, lava levels, all that fun stuff. This game, I don't know if there's going to be more after this, but for the most part, this has been a very fun game to play. I don't even know if there's more coming after this. If this is the end, then it's a great end, because it's showing all the names of the characters, all the thank yous. It's really cool. This has been a really fun game to play since I first found it a while ago. And like looking back at all the characters, it's really been kind of cool looking at all of them and how much ingenuity it took to make all the puzzles that they managed to do to make it so you were able to do these levels and have to figure out. You really had to think, and it was really, 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 it makes you, what's a better word for it? It makes you think. I don't know. It's, because it did. God damn, does it make you think. Like, you really have to examine patterns and movement and speed, and there's so much of it. This game is so underestimated. It's the coolest little game that I've ever gotten to play since finding it on Newgrounds and watching it evolve and go where it is. Oh, there's my fucking name right there. Gerald Keenum. That's me. That's me. Ah, thank you so much for putting me in the credit. That's so great. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's Kill the Plumber. I hope there's more. If there's not, this has been a great way to cap it off. So yeah, Kill the Plumber. Find it on Steam, buy it, play it, support it. It's so much fun. It really is. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button on the way out. Subscribe, comment, check any annotations I leave behind or things that I have done. We'll see you next time. Jester out. And I'm dead again. Ed, stop juggling me with your feet. That's my job. God damn it. Nope, don't fall. Come here. That's the bull. Get the horns. Olay, bitches. That was mine. Get away from me with your bullshit spear. Okay, Hit. I will destroy your face.